Good morning guys, welcome to another vlog. I figured, I don't know what I'm doing today, but I figured I'll just take you guys with me. I'm about to clean up my desk and fix this stuff over here, so I figured I'll just show you guys. I believe I showed like a picture on Instagram of my accent wall. Is that what you call it? I wanted a accent wall behind me when I film certain videos, so I was able to get my father-in-law to put up these shelves. I think I showed a picture, but I'll turn it around so you guys can see. So I just need to fix my desk now. I've had this blue desk for a while and I want to get rid of it, but I'm not yet ready to buy a new desk because the one I want, of course, it's like $100 and something, which is not bad. But for now, I'm just gonna add a, what do you call that, paper on top. You guys will see what I'm talking about. Hopefully it fits. But yeah, let me turn it. All right, so this is what I have right now for the accent wall. I went to At Home and got a few things. That little frame, thought that was cute. Beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. I like that. I got this tree at Ross actually. Then you have that little vase, this little plant, another little vase and plant flower, this little black and gold. My theme was like a little bit of green, black, gold, and a hint of pink. So I got that. I have my Forever Moon candle there. This little gold accent, and I just set my other candle because I'm burning it right now. So yeah, that is what I did there. Still have this plant, so I kind of just stuck it in the corner right now. So I just want to clean up this room. I've been just having things all over, so I just want to get my office back looking good so I can film something, because you know, you feel good, maybe you want to film. So I don't know if I'm filming anything today, but I'll try to think of something to film, but just wanted to show you guys that. So yeah, I'm just gonna prop you guys up while I do my desk and try to clean up. I still have some makeup and stuff that I need to give away. I don't know yet what I'm doing, so a lot of makeup in this box, so I might go through it and just kind of organize it a little better. Prop you guys up, listen to some music, get this part done. I'm supposed to do this all week, but we're gonna get started.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1.
All right, so already run into difficulty. I didn't buy enough cover for the desk, so it looks super good. That looks so good, but I need 2 more, so I need enough to cover that and enough so I can do the edge. I was hoping that I would get all this done today and it just looks super nice. But no. But yeah, I'm just gonna look it up on Amazon, order 2 more right now. It wasn't expensive either, so that's good. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean up the rest of the office since that's not gonna get done today. Hey, I just ordered it and it says it'll be here right tomorrow, which I'm off tomorrow, so that's good.
So messed up, hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now.
you guys, I just went through everything I have for like giveaways. I have some skincare, like I have this moisturizer, 2 of these, so message me if you want to try one of these stuff. This is just like a brush holder. I have a lot of like this. I think I have another one of these Lush. It's a little bit light, but yeah. So if you like a lot of Too Faced, just let me know, because I have a lot of stuff, and a lot of these palettes are not yet used either. So just so you know, this is not old stuff, these are brand new stuff. Alright guys, I am done for now. I will show you guys my desk tomorrow when I finish covering it tomorrow, but yeah, let me just try to yeah, just kind of clean up a little bit. My camera is on the other side because I was filming, but this section looks a lot neater and better. Like I said, once I'm done covering it tomorrow, I'll give you guys a final look on that. Of my plants and this mirror in the corner. I hope I can get a mirror bigger. I hope to get a bigger mirror soon. I can't talk. A bigger mirror soon. People, well, it's afternoon, so it's the next day now. Not doing much today, just doing the regular. Not much going on my vlog, I know. But I got my hair covered because we're working in the garage. We're putting in shelves. You guys know I'm all about Miss Organization, honey. Keep everything organized. So we are installing shelves in the garage so we can kind of get everything off the floor. So yeah, that is what we're doing now. My, what is it called? Not wallpaper, but my piece for my desk did come in, so I'll show you guys that later. But I'm gonna take you guys outside, show you guys what we're up to today. mute that garage scene because the music is playing and we don't want to get copyrighted around here. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're getting shelves just so I can put everything in bins and put them on the shelf. As I show you guys, the Christmas stuff is already put up on that shelf right there that I show you guys. So that really made a lot more space in the garage. We plan on getting more gym equipment to put in the garage, so that's kind of one of the reasons why we're making space. And it was my father-in-law's idea, and he's only here for a couple more weeks, so he wanted to get that done. So cover my hair because I didn't want to get all that dust on my hair after, you know, putting all that work in on wash day. So yeah, we're just gonna keep doing that. I'll show you guys the final once everything is done, because like I said, the music is playing, so don't want to get copyright. Oh, one more thing. In the spirit of organizing, I also got me a file cabinet. I'm gonna be organizing all my like home paperwork, everything, documents. I like this one because it has the small drawer on top that we can keep like ready to reach stuff. And then this one locks along with, you can lock these two together. I already put some files in here that I bought on Amazon. I will link the one I got down below. I wanted one of these for a while now. I think the black just looks so like sleek. So I'm working on this, I'm working on the garage, and it's all about team organization. Team stay organized. What we have. Like I said, once I get everything I want, I will give you guys an update. So let me know in the comments how you guys like it.